Alright, so I'll be showing you how to make like 3D audio so it sounds like if someone walks away, it sounds like they're further away. If they're right up to you, it sounds like they're right in front of you. So first off, you have to have Photon installed, like to get the Photon VR Manager, Photon VR Player, and Photon VR Voice. What you want to do, I'm not sure about these two, but I like to do all three in case. You want to drag them under the main camera, set this number position with all three selected to 0, 0, 0. And then go into resources, Photon VR player, go to your speaker, make sure spatial blend is on 3D so it can actually register it as if someone's far away, it sounds like they're far away. And this is optional, but if you want to hear them more, I would suggest either raising this to 2.5 or 3.5, but I like having it on 2.5. And then discard. And then make sure everything here is good. And yeah, then you're good. Yeah.